Yeah, I'm tomboy. This is my attitude. Yeah, I'll be the tomboy.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry about your likes, cause I'm trying to get the follows. I'm living with no filter.
What you see, what you get from me, can't lie, no fakery. I live too long trying to be the image of me on the scroller, see no fake friends. Getting tired, always trying to trend. Everybody trying to stand out, that the new trend is just fitting in. By the way, used to be friends back in the day. You wanna follow me, new username, think you're famous now cause I like from Dre. Page looks good, but the attitude needs a major change. In and out was your favorite place, but you vegan now? How's grass taste?
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry about your likes, cause I'm trying to get the follows. I'm living with no filter. 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 I'm living with no filter.
Hey, no shade to my vegans. You went in the Gucci store and seen the prices, now you're leaving, yeah. Test driving all these foreign cars, flexing like a choice down Rodeo Boulevard. Your thumbs are way too active. You don't have to keep on acting. You're only balling after taxes. Stop photoshopping yourself in front of those mansions.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry about your likes, cause I'm trying to get the follows. I'm living with no filter. 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 I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry about your likes, cause I'm trying to get the follows. I'm living with no filter. 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 I'm living with no filter.
Say you're gonna hold me down. Where was you when the chips was down? You wasn't certain enough. Said you're real, but I ain't sure no more. I had to go and get it on my own. You know I had to go to fly solo, yeah. I had to go and get it on my own, yeah. You know I had to go fly solo. You made me wanna pull up on your ass, send like 30 back. Man, I knew you wasn't certain, no. Make a nigga wanna murder, oh, but you really ain't worth it, though. I had my back, you ain't. Plug switched up, so now I'm trapped. I'm bouncing back, it's a habit. Focus on Grammys, tryna be happy. I just need to leave. I just wanna smoke a tree. Say you're gonna hold me down. Where was you when the chips was down? You wasn't certain enough. Said you're real, but I ain't sure no more. I had to go and get it on my own. You know I had to go and fly solo, yeah. I had to go and get it on my own, yeah. You know I had to go and fly solo.
I need real friends, ain't talking shit if they be real ones. You can't find us on TV. Fake friends, oh, you OG. Don't try to play me soft, cause a nigga can't sing. If you ain't gon' ride, then nigga, you the ops. Better think twice for your pop.
You just better stay there. Say you're gonna hold me down. Where was you when the chips was down? You was a certain night. Said you're real, but I ain't sure no more. I had to go and get it on my own. You know I had to go and fly solo, yeah. I had to go and get it on my own, yeah. You know I had to go and fly solo.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
I met you when I could have sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, winning at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself that I won't settle. Yeah, I really love you, gotta move on. Living life well because life ain't long. Yeah.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt your sting. Now it's ripping me apart. Yeah. Doesn't matter where you are, always out creeping around, raising my alarm. Yeah, girl. So hot, so cold. So baby, tell me when you can't come home. Yeah, you be sound like sunshine, here for the day till the nighttime. Yeah, like what you trying to do to me? Try once or twice, never got it through to me. Yeah, yeah, like truthfully, mean I love you, but I gotta stay true to me. Yeah, yeah, feelings come and they go. Maybe I should let them all flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe someday I'll know when you gonna be my love.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part. You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
And now I'm reaching 24. We used to be interlaced. Could have bear in my mind that it's no longer my eyes, that yours and yours only. But for us, I'm
And that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more updates from me. I'll see you next time.